Welcome to English Listening Channel, your go-to place for improving English through real-life, easy-to-follow stories. In today's video, you'll join two coworkers, David and Emma, on a practical shopping trip to a clothing store in New York. They need to buy a shirt for an important work presentation, but there's a confusing buy two, get one free deal. How does it work? Which item is free? You'll find out by listening to their natural conversation. This story is spoken slowly and clearly, with useful everyday vocabulary like clearance, final sale, and regular fit, perfect for learners at any level. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. And if you find the answer to the question, which item is free, write it in the comments. Your English will improve faster when you practice writing too. If you enjoy learning English this way, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. We upload new listening stories every week. Now, let's begin. Here is David and Emma at Gap on Fifth Avenue. Here we are, Gap on Fifth Avenue.
Yeah, I've heard this is a good place for work shirts. I walk by all the time but never go in.
Really? It's a great store. You'll like it.
I hope so. I'm not very good at shopping for clothes.
Don't worry, I'll help you pick something.
Thanks for coming with me after work.
No problem. You've got a big presentation next Monday, right?
Yes, Monday morning for a new client. So I really need to find a nice shirt today. Look at what I'm wearing. It's old.
Yeah, it looks a bit worn out.
I want a new dress shirt for the meeting. Gap seems like a good choice. Not too cheap, not too expensive. And a lot of Americans know this brand.
True. It's a classic American store. Hey, look at the window. There's a sign.
Oh, buy two, get one free. Nice deal.
Wait, how does that work? 3 shirts, 1 free?
Yes, but which one is free? The first? The last?
I'm not sure about the rule. Do you get the most expensive one free or the cheapest?
Good question. Let's go inside and ask.
I hope it's not the most expensive one. That would be too good to be true.
Yeah, stores never give away the most expensive item.
So probably the cheapest, or maybe the middle one. Let's just ask the staff.
Good idea. Let's go in and look around.
I love shopping for clothes. So many options. I usually buy online, so this is fun.
Stores are better for clothes. You can feel the fabric.
Right, and you can try things on too.
Exactly. After you.
Here's the men's shirt section. Lots of colors. What style are you looking for?
Something simple, not too bright. For an office, simple is best. I want a shirt I can wear with a tie.
Got it. A long-sleeve dress shirt.
Yes, for work.
Let's check the materials first. Look at this one. 100% cotton. Soft and comfortable.
And this one says 60% cotton, 40% polyester. A blend.
Polyester doesn't shrink in the wash.
Oh, that's good for me. I always use hot water.
But polyester gets hot in summer. Cotton breathes better.
For a presentation, cotton looks more professional too.
Okay, cotton it is. Now check the washing label.
Machine wash cold, tumble dry low.
Easy to remember. Now, this light blue cotton shirt is nice.
And this white cotton shirt is $30, the cheapest here.
White is always a safe, classic color.
And this striped one is $35. Vertical stripes look smart for meetings.
3 good options: light blue, white, and striped. All office appropriate. Light blue is fresh, White is classic. Striped is smart.
I like that. 3 different looks for 3 different days.
And all have the same wash instructions. Easy care.
Cotton shirts get softer over time, too.
Yes, they feel better after a few washes.
Let me try them on. Where's the fitting room?
Over there. I'll wait outside.
Excuse me, where's the fitting room?
Right here, sir. How many items do you have?
3 shirts.
That's fine. Our limit is 5 items per person.
Oh, there's a limit? Good to know.
Room number 2. The number is on the door.
Thanks. By the way, do you have this in medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Great. Also, slim fit or regular fit?
Slim fit is tighter to the body. Regular fit is more relaxed.
Regular fit is more comfortable for a long day.
Good choice. These are all regular fit.
Let me try them on.
Please leave the tags on. The door has a lock inside. Just turn the small knob.
Can I bring my bag inside?
Yes, there's a hook on the wall.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I'll be at the front desk if you need anything.
I'm coming out. How does this light blue one look?
Very fresh. I like it. The color suits you.
Really? Not too bright?
No, it's just right. The shoulders and chest look perfect.
Great. Now the white one.
The white one is a bit tight in the chest.
Yeah, I feel it too. Maybe I'd need a large for white.
Still, it's okay. Now the striped one. That looks very smart. The waist feels just right.
All 3 fit pretty well. Cotton is so much more comfortable. You were right.
Told you, polyester would feel hot under the lights.
And cotton looks more natural.
Exactly. Polyester can look a bit shiny. You want a calm, professional look.
How's the length? Is the shirt too long?
No, it will tuck in nicely.
Okay, I want all 3. Let me change back.
Wait, David, look at this rack. Clearance, 50% off.
Wow, half off. That's a big discount.
Clearance means old stock or last season's items. The store needs space for new things.
Look at this polo.
Try it on.
The size runs small. The arms are tight. I'll skip it.
Good idea. A cheap shirt isn't worth it if it doesn't fit.
So back to the 3 cotton shirts. Light blue, white, and striped. With the buy 2 get 1 free deal, 3 is the smart number.
You pay for 2 and get 1 free. But which one is free? I think the cheapest.
That would be the white shirt at...
Let's confirm at the register.
One more thing. Are clearance items returnable?
Usually not. Another reason to skip the polo.
True. Stick with the regular shirts. They should be returnable.
Yes, just keep the receipt.
Hello again. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thanks. I'd like to buy these 3 shirts.
Great choices. All cotton, medium, regular fit. Nice for the office.
Does the buy 2 get 1 free deal apply?
Yes. Let me explain. The cheapest shirt is free.
With New York sales tax, about $81.66?
Correct. About 8.875.
That was a good shopping trip. 3 shirts for $75 plus tax. $25 per shirt. Great value.
And I learned new words, like clearance and final sale. Now I know how buy 2, get 1 free works. The cheapest one is free.
You saved.
And thanks to you, I chose cotton. You were right.
You'll do great on Monday. The light blue one looks calm and smart. Wear that.
Good plan. Striped for the second meeting, white for a regular day.
3 shirts, 3 different days. Smart.
Next time I have a big presentation, you're coming with me again.
Deal. Let's grab some coffee. My treat.
Your treat? Because I saved 30?
Exactly. You can pay next time.
Deal. There's a nice cafe on the next block.
Sounds good. Shopping is hard work.
Don't forget to iron the new shirt on Sunday.
Right. Cotton needs ironing. Small price for comfort.
Okay, coffee time. Thanks again, Emma.
Ah, this coffee is good. You look relieved, David.
I am. Shopping for clothes always stresses me out, but you made it easy.
That's what friends are for. So, are you going to wear the light blue shirt right away on Monday?
Yes, that's the plan, but I'm still a little nervous about the presentation.
Why? You know the material. You've been working on it for weeks.
True, but first impressions matter. What if the client doesn't like me?
They'll like you. You're prepared, you're professional, and now you look the part too.
Thanks. Hey, do you think I should buy a tie as well?
Maybe, but not at Gap. Let's check another store later if you want.
You know, I'm still thinking about that deal. The cheapest one free. That means if I had picked 3 shirts at the same price, I'd save even more, right?
Exactly. If all 3 were $120, that's a $40 saving.
So the deal is better when the shirts are similar in price.
Yes, but you still did well. You saved $30, and you got a free white shirt.
That white shirt will be perfect for regular workdays. I don't have to worry about getting coffee on it.
Just be careful anyway.
Hey, let's walk past Gap again. I want to see if they have any other good deals.
Sure, but don't buy anything else just because it's cheap. Remember the polo shirt.
You're right. No more impulse buys.
Look, the window display has changed. Now it says 40% off all outerwear.
Tempting, but I don't need a jacket. Let's just go in quickly to check ties.
Okay, but 5 minutes max.
Wow, they have a whole wall of ties. How do I choose?
First, think about your shirt color. Light blue goes well with navy blue, dark gray, or silver.
I like this navy blue tie with small dots. What do you think?
Classic. Very professional. And it's 30% off. The price is $21.
That's reasonable. I'll take it.
Hello again. Back for more?
Yes, just this tie. No more shirts today.
Smart choice. Would you like to use the same discount? Ties are not included in the buy 2 get 1 free, but this one is already on sale.
That's fine. I'll just buy one.
So, just the navy tie.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Would you like a small bag?
Yes, please. I don't want to lose it.
You know, with that tie, your presentation outfit is complete.
I think so too. Now I just need to practice my speech.
You can practice with me tonight if you want.
Really? That would be great.
So now you have 3 shirts and 1 tie. Total spending?
That's like getting the tie for free almost.
And you saved $30 on the shirts.
I like that way of thinking.
Now, let's talk about the presentation. What's the first thing you'll say to the client?
Good morning. Thank you for meeting with us. I'm David, and this is our proposal.
Good. And remember to smile. Your new shirt will help you feel confident.
I should lay out my clothes on Sunday night. That way, I won't be rushing.
Smart. And don't forget to iron the shirt. Cotton wrinkles easily.
I know. I'll use a little starch to keep it crisp.
Perfect. What about shoes? Black or brown?
Black. My black leather shoes are polished and clean.
Then you're all set. I'll see you at the office at 8:30 on Monday.
Thanks again, Emma. I owe you one.
You can buy me lunch after the presentation. Deal?
Deal.
You know, this whole shopping trip taught me something too.
What's that?
Even simple English phrases like buy two, get one free can be confusing if you don't ask questions. But once you ask, it's easy.
Yes, and the staff was very helpful. I learned that the cheapest one is free and clearance items are final sale.
So for English learners, the key is to ask questions in stores, restaurants, anywhere.
Exactly. Don't be shy. People are usually happy to explain.
Well, I think our story ends here. You got your shirts, your tie, and a good plan for Monday.
And I have a great friend to thank. Let's head home now.
Sounds good. See you Monday, David.
See you Monday, and thanks for listening, everyone.